Do you know being a baker takes more than knowing how to bake a bread? Bakery and confectionery have emerged out of a career in hotel management. It is a blend of both science and arts where there is multitude of specification and proportions that should be kept in mind while making the desired product. While the science part of it remains constant for everyone, the creative part of it differs to a great extent in professionals, landing them to diversify areas of employment. As a baker, you would be making a lot of buns, croissants, bread rolls, cakes, loaves, etc., adding innovative factors to the basic recipe. While a course in this field will teach you weighing ingredients, mixing them to mold, but there are certain additional skills that one must exhibit as a professional baker. One should have the correct knowledge of ingredients, one should be quick learner, should be sensible enough while not to waste anything, proper knowledge of pricing. One should also have basic knowledge of math, justification of a procedure, have to understand the demographics, and have to be a good communicator, physical stamina and patience to work for hours on a single thing.